Mass Academy, Unit number 4, Class 9th Mathematics. We are studying about how to find LCM by factorization method. After studying this or watching this video, you will understand proper way how to find LCM by factorization method of question number 4, 5. So we are going to start question number 4 of exercise 4.5. Expression we have x square plus 7x plus 12, and also another expression we have, and second expression, that is x square plus 10x plus 24. And both expression LCM we are going to find by factorization method, and we are using LCM by factorization method, least common multiple. Then how to factorize first expression? 1x multiply by 12, it comes 12, and 12 factors that multiplying by those factor 12 come and adding 7, so those numbers are 3 and 4. Then we are going to break down 7x is 3x and 4x. Why we have multiply 12 by 1? Because coefficient of x square is 1, so 7x is written as 3x plus 4x plus 12. Now we are going to take out common between x square and 3x, that is x already, x is common, x square, x left, and 3 alone left. Further we can see 4 is common, then taking out 4 is a common, x plus 12, because 4 can catch 12 3 times, 3 left. Further we have x plus 3 is a common, we are going to take out x plus 3 is a common, then left what? That is x plus 4. This is factorized this. Now second one, x square coefficient is 1, 1 multiplied by 24, 24 itself come. Now what to write? Factor of 24 by adding 10 come, and by multiplying 24, that is the appropriate factors are 4 and 6. By multiplying 24 and by adding 10 can come. We are going to break down 10 as a two part. This is, as we know, we break mid term, x square plus 4x plus 6x plus 24. Now our work is to take out common between these two terms, that is x square plus 4x. So x is a common. Now left what? X plus 4. Further we can see 6, this is not 10, remember this is 6, so we are going to write 6 x, this one mistakenly 10 written. 6 is common, 6 can catch 6 one time, only x left, and 6 can catch 24 4 times. Again we can see x plus 4 is common, so we will take out x plus 4 is a common. Further next step will be written as not x outside, x plus 4, x plus 4 is a common, and x plus 6 is left. Further x plus 6 is left. Further we will be looking for common factor, that is x plus 4. In both expression we can see x plus 4 is common, that's why we have taken x plus 4 is a common. After that we will be finding non-common factor. In these expression we'll see non-common factors are, first expression x plus 3 is there, this is mark, and second expression x plus 6 is there. We will be writing a non-common factor as x plus 3 and x plus 6. And further we know that the formula that LCM is equal to common factor multiplied by non-common factor, as they are written already. X plus 4 is common and x plus 3, x plus 6 non-common. They are totally being multiplied, but we are not multiplying, we are writing them x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 6. This is our LCM of these two expression, question number 4. This is done from here. Now come to next question, that is 5. We are going to find here LCM, least common multiple of question number 5. We have expression x cube minus 1 and x cube minus 2x square plus x. We are going to take first expression, that is x power 3 minus 1. Here it looks a formula of a cube minus b cube, so we are going to make it a cube, x cube is a cube, and 1 is a b cube. So we will be writing x cube minus 1 is a b cube. As we already know, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Then according to this, we are going to open the formula, that is x is our a and 1 is our b, x minus 1, and further we'll be writing a square, it means x square, plus ab, it means x into 1, then b square, it means 1 square. After that it comes x minus 1, same, x square mean x square, x multiplied by 1, it comes x itself, and 1 square mean 1. We factorize first expression or term, first expression. Come to second expression, that is x cube minus 2x square plus x. So here we already can see that x is common among these three terms. So we are going to take out x as a common first of all. Then after taking out common x cube become x square, minus 2x square becomes minus 2x, and plus 1, x becomes plus 1. Now this is trinomial expression. We are going to break the midterm, that is minus 2x. 1 multiplied by 1 comes 1. 1 we have taken because the coefficient of x square and 1 and constant is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 comes. We can easily break minus 2x as minus x minus x. So we are writing x square in place of minus 2x minus x plus 1. Further, x into x is common between x square and minus x, so x is taken out common, x minus 1 left, and after that we can see that minus x plus 1, minus 1 is common actually here. Minus 1 will be taken out as a common, then left what, x minus 1 also. Brackets are same, easily we can take out our second common, that is bracket itself x minus 1. If we take out x minus 1 is a common, then left x minus 1. Second expression is also factorized. Now our work to take out common. We can see previous expression x minus 1 is there. Second expression x minus 1 is coming twice. It is up to us which one you take. So 1 we will take, x minus 1 is common. And non-common factor, we can see previous term, first term, that is x square plus x plus 1. Second term, x is there and also x minus 1 is there. So we are writing non-common factor, that is x into x minus 1, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Further we know least common multiplier or LCM is equal to common factor multiplied by non-common factor. Common factor we already have, that is x minus 1. Non-common factor, that is x minus 1 multiplied by x multiplied by x square plus x plus 1. Dot mean here multiplied. In the last we are going to multiply all together. So x multiplied by 1, x multiplied by 1, we can write x minus 1 square. X minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 square we can write, and that is x square plus x plus 1. Thank you for watching. This is over.